going on, everybody? My name's Eli, and today I'm just walking. Hello. That dog does not like it. So I'll be just walking around and just doing this. Why not? I might vlog on a school day. I might not. Oh. And her name is Molly. She's a new dog. I'll try to bring Fudge, but she has a little limp. So, what good views, okay? But she is a cute dog. I'll be just in her room. Molly! Oh my goodness, Molly! Sometimes it's very tricky looking after trying to look after this dog right here, but I can handle it, so that's the best I can do. And so I'm sorry about the video that I did yesterday, because it wasn't this angle, but I'm leaving it as this angle because it wasn't good whatever that it's called. Good angle, I meant. And also, it's every day, bro, with that Disney Channel flow. Bye, mute. And also, it's a little bit spinning and a little bit not. So, fun part. Now I'm gonna let it roam freely soon. Please smash that like button so it'll allow me to know. And also, in December, I might do a video involving water balloons and a Nerf gun. So, like Russian Roulette, kind of. And there'll be one needle dot in it. Okay? Because it'll be summer in December if you're true Aussies like me. But if you're not, oh, what the heck? Just go to Queensland. Okay? That could be a good idea. Oh, we're walking again. Here we go. In the wildness. In the wildness. The Molly will be walking right now. Molly, come on, show your face. Okay, she won't. And please smash that like button, because I'm wearing freaking phones right now. So this is kind of fun when doing this. And also, I can't do that. And also, I didn't get demonetized in YouTube yet. But yeah, that's a fun part. Yeah. Uh-oh. Dodgy alley. Oh, don't know if you can deal with it or not. If you can, you're a brave kid. Oh. I wish I had my other friends with me to do this, because there'll be one person that will be recording, the other person won't be. How you doing, Molly? No question. Uh-oh. That's not very good. Vlog 3, walking. Oh. Oh, I heard that. Aww. wish I had. We're almost there. Whoop, you don't want to know that. Okay, now you do want to know that. Just like the button if I should save up for a laptop or a camera. That could be a good advice. Yeah. Come on, Molly. Molly. No. Molly. Oh. And also, she is very cheeky. I'll tell you that. Molly, come on. Okay, I'll be just going to this specific area, then I'll be done, okay? And also, like and subscribe, and bell, and that will let me know to do another video. See you guys soon, bye. Oh, damn it.